Hello my beautiful people, this is Seth and welcome to the middle of nowhere. I just got done selling the new PC I built, videos you can check out if you feel like doing so, but I received this in the mail and this is a package I've been waiting for so long. As you know, with the Nvidia launch of the RTX 3000 series of graphics cards, they've been flying off the shelf like crazy, and well, I finally got mine in the mail. So let's go ahead and unbox this sucker in true unboxing fashion. I'm so excited for this. This thing is, I've been just drooling over it, and you guys get to see what it is. All right, there it is. The ASUS ROG Strix Gaming OC RTX 3090 GPU. I am so excited for this card. It is gonna help me out with editing so much. And yeah, it's gonna help me with gaming as well, which is gonna be cool. This thing is gonna help me so much when it comes to editing, using all them CUDA cores and such. But enough of the rambling, let's go over this card. This is, again, the ROG Strix Gaming OC graphics card. It's a 3090, totally excessive, has 24 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory. And here is on the back. Editor Seth here. Rather than read off what's on the box, how about I do a quick comparison between the ASUS ROG Strix 3090 OC and the Nvidia RTX 3090 Founders Edition. Both have 10,496 CUDA cores. The boost clock for the ROG Strix is 1.89 GHz in OC mode or 1.8 GHz in gaming mode versus the 1.7 GHz for the Founders Edition. Both have a base clock of 1.4 GHz. Both come with 24 gigabytes of GDDR6X memory, and both have a 384-bit memory bus. When it comes to display connectors, the ASUS Strix comes out ahead with 2 HDMI 2.1 connectors versus only one on the Founders Edition, and both have 3 DisplayPort 1.4a connectors. Price-wise, I'm going to give you two prices for the ASUS Strix. Pre-tariffs, it was $1,799.99. Post, it is now $1,979.99. That's a hefty markup. The Founders Edition is still $1,499.99. For dimensions, the ROG Strix is 319mm by 140, and the Founders Edition comes in a slightly smaller at 313mm by 138mm. Both could be considered 3 PCI slots, although ASUS is claiming theirs is 2.9, but we'll just call it 3. And of course, both are PCIe 4.0 compatible. But enough of that, let's open this sucker, shall we? And oh, that was easy. I don't want to rip the box. So I've been just keeping Newegg open on my phone for this graphics card, as well as for the a couple other things actually. Come on, you can do it. The 5950X CPU and the ASUS Dark Hero. So we open it up. We have our foam inserts. Oh, this is a beefy boy, isn't it? I'm gonna save the card for last. Let's see what else we get here. We get a ruler. It looks like it's made out of PCB. That's kind of cool. Hopefully you can see that in focus. Designed by Ace Computer. So it looks like it's a little ruler, has some sine wave graphics and stuff like that. It is 4 inches and some, and then roughly 11 centimeters. So it has both. Then we have some coordinates. 25 degrees, 7 minutes. 29.5, I don't know what the third coordinate is, sorry. North, and then 121 degrees, 28 minutes, 15.6 something east. Interesting. All right, what else we got? We have some cable ties. Flip open. Oh, looks like some kind of case badge maybe. Not 100% sure, or it's for the back plate. We get a Republic of Gamers ROG Strix trading card. Something that's not in English. This actually looks like it might be Portuguese, because it doesn't necessarily look Spanish either. Okay, well that's fine. And a thank you card. We have a speed setup. Okay, so this is in a whole bunch of different languages. Connecting to display devices, card installation instructions. Okay, so roughly 2 pages. So just a lot of languages though. All right, that's cool. That's nice. No driver's disc, yay, because obviously everything will be downloaded. So let's go ahead and open this guy. Oh my God, this is, I might have to get a ruler. This thing is huge. Now, I've already double checked because I was actually worried about this. This will fit into your PCO11 Dynamic XL if you have one. Will it fit in that case and have a pump res in front of it? That's a question I'm gonna have to answer. So here it is. This is it. This is easily, we'll say it's a triple slot card. We have 3 fans, so we'll have 2 fans that spin one way, and then the middle one will actually spin the opposite way. So to avoid, I think it helps counteract any kind of turbulence. We have a ROG Strix logo. There is lighting throughout all of this. I'll show you in a second from the box. So we'll have lighting here. I think the logo lights up. I'm not sure if the RTX part lights up, but you'll have lighting there. As with almost all the RTX cards, you have a pass-through for more air because the PCB actually ends, looks like right here. So right at the end of the power delivery. That's another thing. 3 8-pin connectors. Make sure your power supply has enough. And also I recommend using separate individual cables here. Do not use those daisy chain cables because you want delivery for each PCIe cable coming individually to the graphics card, not something that's been daisy chained. And then we have the RTX logo. There is the NVMe bridge, or not NVMe bridge, sorry. Whatever the bridge is for SLI. 3090 series is the only GPU that can do SLI. I'm just so excited for this card. So I currently have a GTX 1080. I built my last computer in 2018 during the height of the stupid mining craze, also when memory and SSDs were jacked in price because of that ass-hattery from companies. So being able to have a top-of-the-end GPU that I have saved up for the entire year of 2020 because I knew new GPUs would be coming out just makes me happy. So each fan, you have the ROG logo, ROG logo, whatever. I like to say ROG. I know it's ROG, individual letters. And then the ROG letters right there. And again, just coming back here. So you can kind of see it lit up where it's gonna light. Here's some more too. So you can see where the lighting zones are. So it's just a really neat card. So as I mentioned, I kind of wanted to talk about who this card is for and if you should buy it. If you are strictly a gamer, and that's the answer to your question, what do you do? I game. Don't buy this. Don't waste the money. Put that money towards other components. A better CPU, an awesome motherboard, more storage for all your games, etc., etc. If you are a content creator that's going to leverage all those CUDA cores, the optics, the DLSS, etc., this card will be for you. And that's why I got it. Not just because I want to squeeze out that, 1 to 5% or whatever it is the 3090 gets in terms of FPS over the 3080, but because I want to be able to leverage all the CUDA cores and everything for when I video edit to cut down my time to enable me to use Fusion within DaVinci Resolve better, because right now I've been running into memory issues and graphics cards issues for DaVinci Resolve when doing Fusion work with the GTX 1080. So the next question you need to ask yourself after you've asked, should I buy this? Do I need it? Do I need all that extra power for the extra money? Is what makes the Strix worth buying over the Founders Edition or any other 3090 that's closer to that MSRP of the Founders Edition at, what is it, $14.99? Because this thing is like $300 more. And once you're able to answer that question, you'll know which 3090 model is best for you, whether or not you should go for the more expensive models or save some money to put that into other components. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing if you already have or are thinking about it, do so. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future content. I hope to have a lot of cool stuff coming your way in the 2021. I've already made 2020 as best I could, my year for YouTube anyway. So I'm going to keep it rolling for you guys because I'm enjoying this. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the middle of nowhere.